Well, welcome back everybody. My name's CJ, and today we are getting the big winter storm, the biggest one of the winter so far, and we've got about 6 inches of snow. We've had some sleet, and it keeps switching back from snow to sleet. But I'm out here in the garage right now, and I'm working on a project. Let me show you what it is. All right, so I got the MT473 warming up right now because I'm going to hook up to my bucket. This is the bucket off the XR4040. And the reason I'm using this one is because I will always have this bucket. So what I'm trying to do is make a makeshift snowplow just out of stuff that you have at your house. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this together. This is really working pretty good, and it's cleaning it off real nice. Look, I'm actually surprised. Well, I broke my pipe off on the bottom. It's still working, so live and learn. This is the first time I've ever tried this, and I gotta say it's doing pretty good. Alright, I knocked the PVC off, but the bottom is holding up pretty good. I just worry about the strap right there because it's exposed. But yeah, if you're just very careful with it, go slow, it's working. All right, guys, so there you have it. There's the makeshift snowplow. I mean, it does clean very, very nice, but it's easy to break at the same time. So This isn't something that I would use all the time, but I don't really have that much to plow anyway. I was doing the main road there, the ridge that we live on, but I think it was one of my subscribers, Ron Crosley. He said, I want to watch you plow snow in the MT473. So there you go. I just plowed some snow with a piece of plywood. Now I will say, if you're going to try this, you can't tilt your bucket the way that I got this hooked up. You just got to raise it up and down. And even then, that kind of loosens up everything here. So here's a pipe. It just broke that off because my road is not even. There's a lot of patches and stuff. Yeah, it completely busted the pipe on that end. But I mean, for what this is, it's a piece of plywood, guys. But I don't know, I just thought this was something neat, that if you guys are in a bind, like this big snowstorm that we're getting right now, this is something that could work. But I will say, it does make me want a regular snow plow, one that I can angle, but I don't know, we'll see. That takes up more space in the garage. Yeah, it plowed up this little hill getting up out of our driveway, and it plowed up the road pretty nice, even though we ain't going nowhere. So just a little short video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I was just doing it for fun, but I hope you stay warm. I hope you don't lose power in this winter storm. So far we haven't, but I got some more projects lined up, and that's coming up in the next video. So be sure to subscribe, and until next time, thanks for watching.